Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're keeping it simple with a Demerara Simple Syrup. This is perfect for tiki cocktails and tropical cocktails alike, and I love to sub it for just plain simple syrup in many cocktails. So let's make the Demerara Simple Syrup. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 1 cup of water, a half a cup of Demerara sugar, and 1.5 cups of granulated, or you can use baker's sugar. Okay, let's get going. I already have 1 cup of water boiling in the pot here, and to that I'm gonna add the half a cup of Demerara sugar. I'm gonna add that first before the granulated sugar because the Demerara sugar is so hard to incorporate. So I'm gonna put that all in there and then whisk this. You want to whisk this until the bottom shows and it's clear. I'm going to put my baker's sugar that I'm using today in there just a little bit, and then I'll stir that. While I'm doing that, I'm going to turn off the heat. The baker's sugar incorporates much quicker than granulated sugar, but please use granulated if that's what you have. Then I'll add the rest of it to the pot. That's 1.5 cups of sugar. And then we'll stir that again. Stir it like crazy until you can see the bottom. You're gonna remove this from the heat altogether and let it cool and get it into another bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Like most syrups, it will keep for a few weeks. That's it. It's super fast and super easy. Check my channel for cocktails where I use Demerara Simple, like the Haitian Rum Sour. That is one of my favorite cocktails. I use Demerara Simple in quite a few of my videos because I love to sub it out for simple syrup. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I will put the discount code for these crew bottles in the description below, and I'll see you next Friday for another great cocktail. Be well.